Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor Justify Text. This is a straightforward process that will help you create clean, professional-looking text blocks on your WordPress pages, with content aligned neatly from edge to edge. First things first, go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages menu on the left sidebar. Here, you'll want to select Add Page to create a new page where you'll be working with your text alignment. Once the page opens, you'll notice a blue button below the title that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click this button to launch the Elementor editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll have full control over your page design and text formatting. Now you'll need to create a structure for your content. Click the large plus icon on the canvas to insert a new section with columns. This gives you the framework to place your text widget in a specific area of your page. Next, look over to the left panel where you'll find the widget search bar, search for text editor, and once it appears, simply drag it into your chosen column. This widget is the tool you'll use to add and format your text content. Double-click inside the widget area to start editing. You'll likely see some placeholder text, so go ahead and delete it. Now type or paste your desired text content directly into the widget. This is the text you'll be justifying in just a moment. With the text widget selected, switch from the Content tab to the Style tab on the left sidebar. This is where all the visual customization options live, including text alignment and typography settings. Scroll down in the Style tab and click to expand the typography dropdown. This section contains all the text formatting controls you need, from font size to line height and of course text alignment. In the typography section, locate the text alignment icons. You'll see options for left, center, right, and justify. Click the Justify icon and you'll immediately see your text align evenly across both the left and right edges of your text block, creating that clean magazine-style appearance. And that's it. You've successfully justified text in Elementor, giving your page a polished, professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.